It's another Friday. Happy to see you again. Welcome to Finance Skills Hub. Here we learn, we connect, and we grow. In this short video, we are going to go through a problem a friend sent me in the course of the week. So basically, he had a payment record, and his goal was to find a series of invoices that could add up to that payment record. And of course, instead of doing this manually, we have a solution using Solver in Excel. So let's head to Excel and see how this is done. So we set up the problem this way. This is the payment and these are the invoices. So question is, which of these numbers can sum up, or which combination of these numbers can sum up to give us this payment? Now, to do this, we are going to add a few things. So the first thing we are going to do is to create a helper column against these invoices. So let's call this binary, and we are just going to highlight these and then fill these cells with 1. Okay, so these are the values that are going to help us calculate to get a sum that matches this. Now, to do this, we are going to multiply each row and then sum up. There's a function to do that, and that is sum product. So sum product allows you to multiply C by D, and when you are done, you sum up whatever you have. It's a very simple formula, yet very powerful. So equal to sum product, and I have 2 arrays. It's important that 2 heights are the same. So my first array C15 to C16, and my second array is this D15 to D16. So when I do this, currently all the invoices sum up to 9788. Now, the third thing you're going to do is just to find the difference. And this difference is going to be your objective. In the end, we want this to be 0. So I'll just take this minus that, and we have this 6968. Now, to make it easier for you to visualize what is going to go on, I'm going to apply a conditional format to this range. Okay, it will highlight each row if in the end what ends up in this range is going to be 1. So I'll highlight, go to new row, use a formula to determine which area to apply my conditional format, and then I will say if D5 F4 so that the row is free and only the column is locked is equal to 1. Then what happens is I want to apply a light green format. Okay, and then I click OK. I expect the whole thing to be highlighted. In the end, the answers will only be highlighted. Okay, so now that we have this, what we are going to do is to activate our solver. Solver is under data, and in your extreme right is part of the add-ins, so solver should be here. If you don't have it, you can go to File, Options, and then Add-ins, and then you choose Excel Add-ins, Go, then you check the box for Solver. Another shortcut is Alt-TI, which just brings up this Add-ins dialog box. So you check the box and it activates. So it's a pretty simple process. Once we activate Solver, Solver requires a set objective. So our set objective is to make cell J4, which is our difference, J5 I must say, set it to a value of 0, okay, by changing these binary numbers in this range, which is D15 to D16. Okay, so set this to a value of 0 by changing D15 to D16. Now you can solve with the constraints. We don't want anything that is greater than 1 and less than 0, so we are just restricted to 1s and 0s. Now to do that, you can add a constraint, and then we'll say this particular range for our binary numbers should be just bin, which is just binary. So once you add this, then you are fine. So this is our constraint, and then we choose a solving method. We'll choose the simplest LP, and then once you are done, let me move this here so that you see what happens. So I'm ready to solve, then I click solve. Okay, so once you do this, solver now gives you this. You click OK, and you can now see that 919, 1272 and 629 are the possible candidates that can sum up to this target value of 2820. Of course, you can replace the payment amount and run it again just to help you with your reconciliation. As usual, please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list so you receive our videos when we send them twice a week. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Finance Goes Up. Please visit and subscribe, or connect with us on any of these social media handles. Again, thank you so much for watching.